Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number E2186P. 84,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Eco Green Pearl in color. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Trailering package. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats, as well as heated steering wheel, heating and air conditioning, navigation, and Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has the 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles per gallon in the city, average of 26 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% tire tread left. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.